Hello everyone, I am Sajad and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you how is the battery test in the YouTube, guys, while playing the YouTube in this Redmi K20 Pro. So let me show you the model what I am using in this video, guys. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe to my channel, guys. Check the links in the description for a playlist which contain full videos of Redmi K20 Pro. So you can see the processor Snapdragon 855 and the RAM 8GB RAM and 128GB variant. So let me open the YouTube application and use my playlist, guys, which has full videos of Redmi K20 Pro. So now I'll be playing this playlist for continuously, guys, from battery. Right now the battery is of 100%, as you can see here. So let me unplug the charger, guys. So I'm using the test by connecting to the Wi-Fi, guys, not with the 4G SIM. So in the future I'll be doing that video. So now let me start the video, guys, and I'll be recording for every 1 hour, guys. And most of the time I'll be playing the videos in the full HD, guys. And I connected the earphones, not in the loudspeaker. So let me show you the brightness what I am using right now. So I set to the brightness to the 50%, as you can see. Let me show you the what volume I am right now playing. So let me even keep the volume to the 50%, guys. So now both the brightness and the volume are set to the 50%. So now I'll be playing this playlist continuously, guys. So now we'll get to know how is the battery life while playing the YouTube in this Redmi K20 Pro, guys, which I am very interested to know. So finally, guys, after 1 hour the battery dropped to the 94%, guys, as you can see here, 94%. So there's a drop of 6% for 1 hour, guys, for the first 1 hour. So I'll be continuing the test again, guys. So guys, after 5 hours the battery reached to the 70%, guys, as you can see here. 70% right now. So now I'll be continuing the test for some more time, guys. Again I will be recording the video after the battery gets to the 20%. So now the battery reached to the 50%, guys, as you can see here. 50%. So now let me show you the screen on time, guys. So in the middle my stopwatch got reset, so I need to show the screen on time to you in order to get to know how much time the video was playing in the background. As you can see, guys, this is the screen on time right now. So 7 hours and 45 minutes. So these with 50%, guys, right now. So by taking into consideration we can expect up to 14 to 15 hours of YouTube playing using Wi-Fi, guys. So in the future I'll be doing with the 4G as well. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel, guys. If you like the video, just comment below, guys, if you want any other queries about this phone. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.